Hi guys, this is VNfatBIKER again for another YouTube tutorials for you. Wala pong problema sa video nyo o sa mga gadgets nyo. Wala rin pong problema sa video ko. As you can see, nablur ang mukha ko at nablur ang object na hawak ko. Okay, this is one of very basic tool or features ng YouTube Studio. Okay? So that's the one I'm going to teach you because sometimes we need to blur some faces, lalo na yung mga photo bomber o video bomber na pwedeng panira sa ating mga video vlogs. Or sometimes they need to protect some identity kaya tayo nagbablur. And another thing is yung sa mga object na ayaw natin ipakita sa ating vlog. Okay? So to make it more professional way, okay, by blurring some faces or objects, that's the thing that we're going to discuss on this day for the YouTube tutorial of VNfatBIKER. Let's get it on, guys!
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
This is the first procedure, okay guys, for blurring tutorial for YouTube. Okay, go to your YouTube Studio, scroll down, click the Creator Classic Studio. Okay, click it now. Okay, once you click it, okay, just skip and then go to Video Manager. From that Video Manager, select any video with a multiple faces or multiple object that you would like to blur. Okay, let's get some example of this one. Okay, how are we going to blur some face? Okay, let's select. Okay, I will select this one, this particular video. Okay, click edit. So once you click the edit, okay, you will go to another menu. From this menu, I think you remember this one, okay? Just go to the enhancement menu. Click that enhancement menu, okay? From that enhancement menu, you will find blur face menu, okay? Click that edit. Once you have that edit, okay, this particular menu will automatically sweep the whole video for all types of faces. Okay, as you can see, it detects 6 faces. Okay, I will not blur my face, but I will blur 2 particular faces. Okay, the first one is the guard and the other one is the cashier of the store. Okay, just select it, then let's check. Okay, let's check if it's really have a good result of blurring the faces. Okay, let's fast forward our video. Okay, so check it out now. Okay, you see, that's the guard with blurred face. Okay, let's go inside the store. Okay, if the cashier also have the same blur faces as what we have set and expected. Okay, okay, where's the cashier? Where's the cashier? Okay, there you go, the cashier. Okay, I'm ordering now and you will see, okay, that's the cashier. Also have a blurred face. That's the 2 guys that we have selected to blur faces. Okay, once you are satisfied on this one, now click save. Okay, once you click save on that one, and then that's it. Okay, you are done with it. Okay guys, this is now the procedure number 2. We're now targeting to blur some object. Okay, again, object, not face. Okay, so now still on the YouTube Studio, go to your Creator Studio Classic and then go again to the Video Manager. Okay, same procedure what we have did a while ago. Then from Video Manager, select any particular video would you like to blur some objects. Okay, now I'm selecting some. Okay, once we have selected one, okay, we will look for a particular object on that video that you would like to blur, to hide. Okay. Okay, this is the video that I have chosen. Okay, click enhancement again. Okay, click enhancement again. Then you will go to the same menu that you have went a while ago. Now click the custom blurring. Okay, custom blurring. Once you edit that one, it will proceed to a particular screen. Okay, from that particular screen, you can select what particular object on that video you would like to blur. So just scroll down your mouse. Okay, click it like that one. Okay, like you are doing some cropping. After that one, that particular menu will analyze the whole video with the same object that one, and it will become blurred and it will be locked as shown below. Okay, once it locked, and you're already satisfied with it and it's totally blurred, that particular object, then you can now save that video. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching for the tutorial of VNfatBIKER.